Okay, so for starters, I wanted to show what the house looked like when we began. And here's where we started with the inside. So it was just cram-packed full of boxes, just enough that you could open the door. Insulation everywhere. Also, we had some wasps in here. So as you can see, there's still a lot of work to be done, but we at least got the insulation out. So after we got that cleaned up, we decided to tackle the electrical. So my dad and I just started on that. A lot of it was already actually in there, so we just had to make sure everything was wired okay. So next up, we started on the floors. We got these thick pieces of wood that we decided to use as our flooring.
This was kind of before I was using the internet.
You got these little things.
The lamp!
This thing is falling apart. It literally just fell apart. So then I got started on the bathroom wall here. It's going to be the only wall really in the building, so that's pretty easy. I saved this part for last, after the floors, just because it was like one of the grossest spots in here, and I thought there were rats and stuff living in here, so I decided to wait until the last minute until I had the clean floor in, but it turned out all right, not so bad. And here's Sarah helping me out in here. And next up, we've got insulation. Turns out I bought the wrong width of insulation, I guess, but it didn't really matter because I could just cut everything to size. It worked out just fine. Let's take a look at how it turned out here. I've got the new wall in and insulated. Oh, it's so much cleaner in here now too. It's a lot easier to work in here now that I'm not worried a spider or scorpion's gonna fall on my head at any moment. Still a few spots I need to work on, but overall it's pretty good. Just take a look at the bathroom here. This is where the toilet will be. And then over here, it's either going to be like the spot for the sink, or we might actually put a shower in. We have not decided yet, but you'll know soon enough. Thanks for watching, everyone. We should have the final compilation of the finished tiny home by the end of next month, so be sure to check that out as well. All right, thanks.